Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Elementor plugin. First, ensure you have a WordPress website ready. Elementor is a fantastic tool that empowers you to create stunning web pages with ease, even if you have no coding experience. It's a visual builder, meaning you see your changes in real time. We will cover everything from installation to advanced design techniques, helping you master this essential plugin. Once Elementor is active, you can start editing pages. When you open the Elementor editor, you'll see two main sections, the live preview of your page and the left-hand panel. This panel is your control center, housing all the widgets you'll use. Think of widgets as individual elements like text, images, or buttons. Simply drag and drop them onto your page to begin building your design. Building a page in Elementor involves understanding its hierarchical structure. Sections, columns, and widgets. Sections are the primary containers, and within them, you can add columns. Columns allow you to create multi-column layouts, like a 2-column or 3-column design. You can easily resize columns by dragging their edges or by setting precise percentage values in the layout options, giving you full control over your page structure. Elementor offers extensive styling options for every element. You can customize colors, fonts, padding, and margins to match your brand. The Advanced tab provides even more control, allowing you to add motion effects, custom CSS, and fine-tune responsive settings for different devices. Remember to save your meticulously crafted designs as templates. This can save you countless hours when building new pages, ensuring consistency across your website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.